Hi guys, welcome back to Evie Girl Plays YT. As you can see, I've done eyeliner and I'm going to do my makeup now. See, it's red. I need to clean that out. I'm looking for like rainbow eyeliner. So, don't judge me. I'm probably gonna do like a sunset or something instead. So, I have, what I'm using right now is this one right here. It's called Nomad Bargain Vixox. And I just use capsules. Now, but I am using this one to make my sunset. I'm not looking right here because I need to get it in the mirror, but you guys see what I'm doing. Looks okay. This is my first cat eyeliner, so don't judge it. Like, this is my first ever attempt at it. And you guys see what I tried to do. By the way, this is a totally different account, so I am not related to Evie Girl Plays YT. I am Evie Girl Plays YT. So this is kind of like my vlog channel or like makeup tutorials. So this is like my tutorial channel. It just got really bright a second ago. So right now I'm using, I used Tacticals. I used Helden. And now I'm using Poor But Sexy. You could also get it on your finger. Just wipe it. You could also do your eyebrows. I just wiped off my eyebrows. This might look good. Yeah, it looks good. So my mom is currently trying to sleep. So this is a good way to show her that I know how to do makeup. Also, I'm making her food. Sorry, guys. Oh my gosh. So if you're not familiar with my other channel, I want you to go see it. My next video is for my friend who has a channel called Rooster Time. It's going to be Five Nights at Freddy's theme. Even though I was scared a long time ago by it, it's not that scary. Oh my gosh, I still have brown on here. Ew. By the way, I'm usually here doing my makeup. I don't do makeup very often, but I am